And so it begins, the process of making a driveway. Unfortunately, when this property was originally cleared by the property developers, they didn't do a very good job of removing all of the sticks and rubbish from the trees. So we were left with having to scrape all of that off. And let me tell you, there was a lot. We still have piles and piles of it here, which is actually a bit concerning because there's apparently a lot of rattlesnakes in the area that we need to be concerned about. Well, after we got it all scraped away, we figured out there was hundreds of tree stumps that we had to clear as well. Those tree stumps are basically located here, 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 and basically everywhere. So, did I blow them up? No, but I wanted to. Instead, we did something called tree stump grinding, which took me about 3 days and some very sore forearms. So we are right now marking all of the stumps out on site because, as you might know, we bought a pine farm, what was previously a pine farm, which has been neglected for many years. Hello, darling. And so right now we're marking all of the stumps because we've got a big stump grinder, which I'll show you here in a moment. And we're going to go through and grind probably, babe, what do you think?
A lot.
150 stumps over the next few days. But we believe we can get it done. We talked to the tool rental place and they said the big machine that we bought should make quick work of everything. So come with us on that journey.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
A few moments later.
Well, this took about 3 days and somewhere around 300 tree stumps, we think. Probably a bit more than that. There are hundreds more to go, actually, in order to get us down the walkway to the back of the property, which is somewhere about half a kilometer long. Americans, how that translates into miles right now, I could not tell you. Probably maybe, I don't know, a quarter of a mile, something like that, possibly. So, in any case, this was a very boring, repetitive process, but it's quite necessary in order to get rid of all these tree stumps that plague the property. So what I'm doing now is I'm laying down some weed stop. Not for the purpose really of stopping weeds, because it kind of works, it kind of doesn't in that respect, but more for the purpose of keeping the stone from getting pounded into the ground, basically to the point where we can't, where we have to order stone again. So this will help to keep the stone around for quite a while until we're ready to actually pave the driveway after the house is built. So this is more for construction work, and until we can afford a driveway, to have it paved, which we haven't even got a price on that yet. Our only objective really is to get the building built. So interesting note, we're having crushed concrete delivered. The reason we're using crushed concrete, number one, it's extremely cheap, right? So 20 tons we're getting delivered for $650 US, which is great. And that includes delivery, and they're going to just basically drop and drag. So they're going to start at one end, turn the dump truck up, and they'll start dropping it, and they'll drive at the same time so that it forms the driveway. And then all I've got to do is take the box blade back and forth on top of that, basically to level it out. So we're really excited. That's happening here in a few hours. So I only have a few hours to get this down. Yay.
Now what you're about to see is called a gate drop, I think anyways, and what's going to happen is this dump truck's going to slowly drop out the gravel or the crushed concrete in this particular instance, and it's going to drive. Experienced drivers can do this, and it saves you hours and hours and hours. So just the ability to gate drop like this and prepare your site properly for it will just make your life so much easier, and this particular driver did a great job. We ended up getting 3 loads of crushed concrete, and they were $650 each, and we were really happy with the results. So yeah, there you have it. And he drives off into the sunset, comes back with another 2 loads. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video and want to continue to see my video editing skills improve, please certainly like and subscribe to our channel. Go on the journey as we build our home, and hopefully it gets built and it stands up and we get to live in it fairly soon.